Hi guys, today how to add or edit logo, website title and favicon in WordPress website. First go to WP Admin dashboard. Click on Appearance left menu. Then click on Customize submenu. Here to select Site Identity left menu for add logo, favicon and website name. To add logo, click on Select Logo button. Then click on Upload File tab. After then select File to upload logo from computer like this. Here you can crop logo image. Then click on the crop image. Now you can see logo add successful. To edit website name, enter name on tagline section. To add favicon, go on site icon, then select site icon and upload icon like this. To save customized page, click on top publish button. Then go to front end and refresh the page. Now you can see logo and favicon added successful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my latest video notifications.